Hi guys, it's Patty from Patty's Crafty Spot, and I have an unboxing to share with you. And I believe I know what this is. It's not marked as what it is, and obviously I can't read what it is. However, I think this was my prize pack from HTVRONT. I had purchased a tumbler press, heat press, which is absolutely amazing. I love it. I've made quite a few cups already. And I also purchased a 15 by 15 heat press from them. But when I had purchased the tumbler press, they were doing a contest, and they do these lives on Facebook and on Amazon, and I was lucky enough to win one of the prizes. So let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, this is wet. It is raining out right now, and UPS just dropped this off, which is funny because I was just thinking about this because it has been a minute since I won it, but I know this was coming directly from them. So, oh, it is. Yay! Alright, check it out. So it was this awesome case that was so cool. Ooh, look at that. That is so neat. Alright. Check that out. I was so excited about the case, winning the case. Never mind, look at that. Neat. Never mind the contents in here. It was just the case. I thought the case was the coolest thing. I love the orange color. So let's go ahead and take a peek. Now, it has been a minute, so I don't remember what the prizes all were. So it looks like some vinyl, maybe? I'm not sure. I don't know if there's anything in here that tells you what it is, but different colors, or maybe it's a plastic. I don't know. I'm not sure. And then this little guy, I think this might be an umbrella, which ironically enough, it is raining out. Yep. So this cute little umbrella. Love the fact that it has a little case to it. I'll have to go back and try to figure out what these were. I'm not sure what those were in there. If you know what these are supposed to be specifically, leave me a comment because I'm not really sure. I'm assuming it's some sort of vinyl or plastic. I do not know if they peel. It's very thick though. Whatever it is, the material itself is thick. So, and then a cup, and I believe, yep, yeah, this is supposed to be for sublimation. Very cute. And then a little purse. It was some of the stuff that they were putting in it was kind of very random. So a little coin purse. And that's kind of a, it's picking up like a burgundy, but it's actually a brown. And then let's go over to this side. And then a watch band, which I thought was kind of weird. It's still neat, but it's for an iPhone or something, I think it is. Of which I don't have, so. But it was kind of neat, so that's fun. And then 3 little panda magnets. So these are fun. I happen to really enjoy magnets. My refrigerator is full of them. 90% are what my husband creates because he has his own business. He's a sculptor. So a lot of that is from him. And then acrylic paint marker set. It's sealed up, so I won't open that, but that's pretty exciting. And then they were sending a little thank you. Oh, look how pretty that is. Aww. It pops right up. Dear friend, may happiness follow you everywhere just like HTVRONT does. HTVRONT. That is so cute. And then also you got one of their things that they make They were sending everybody different samples. So it says, only for you. That is so cute. I'll have to give this to my granddaughter because it is small. I don't even see a size on it, but it is tiny. So, super cute. Anyway, that was pretty exciting when I won it. I was not expecting it. I literally just found them. I didn't even know Amazon did live videos and stuff like that. So I literally just found them, and then I got the tumbler press because I wanted to start doing some tumblers. Something I thought I could do that wouldn't take a lot of time because of my foot surgery. I'm sure you guys are tired of hearing about it. I'm hoping soon that I'll be able to walk again. I go to the doctor's Friday, so I find out if I can start learning to walk again, so I'm so excited about that. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you. I'm just boxing it all up. Again, if you know what these, I think it's a vinyl, but it's hard saying. It might be a permanent vinyl. Not sure. I'll have to look into that though. But anyway, how cute is this case? I just love the case itself. Zip it all up. Anyway, so cute. Anyway, thank you HTVRONT for this amazing prize package. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. And until next time, guys, happy crafting. Bye.